Welcome to part 3 of GNSS-SDR-LIB modifications with PVT. This is the final part 3, and I'm going to give you a short demo of the program. We're going to do a playback mode, and then we'll do a live mode, and then I'll talk a little bit about some future modifications that I'm working on. So if we go to playback mode, so here you set up your thing to recognize the input file rather than real-time SDR. You type in the program, and then it starts to run. And what you'll see is it's playing back the playback file now that I'm providing, and it's acquiring on these, it tracks these, and then it decodes the nav message now. You can see that all happening as it's running through the playback file. So now it's finalizing the ephemeris decoding, and it'll start calculating observations. When it gets enough observations, it'll start giving you a solution here. And so the solution is lat long, altitude. You'll see the GDOP, the clock bias, and the number of satellites that are being tracked. Down here in the green, you see the satellite, the time of week, the SNR, the pseudo-range value as L, and then over here in this last column are the residuals from the Batchley squares filter. And we'll just let that run here for a minute. And then I'll go to the real-time mode, show you how that works. Okay, so let me go to the real-time, give you an example of real-time here. Okay, so here we're leaving it as the SDR, the live SDR selected, and you start to run it, and you see it's connected to the RTLSDR, and it's doing the same thing, but now it's running in real time. These are the satellites acquired and then tracked, decoding the nav message right now. Takes a little while, and as soon as it gets enough of them, it'll start populating, getting the ephemeris all populated so it can start producing observables, the pseudo ranges, and the satellite positions. So it's starting to do that now. And this antenna is on the side of my house, so you'll see that the GDOP is not the greatest, whereas the playback mode was out in an open field. So what'll happen is, it's getting a pretty good lat long, but the altitude will jump around, and the GDOP is not as good as you'd like to see. But it converges pretty well. Here's the residuals from the filter, and that's doing pretty well. So that's the playback mode, or I'm sorry, live data mode that you can run. And that's it for all 3 parts. Thanks for watching.